Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs in a pan easy method. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and whisk until slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low, melt 1 tablespoon butter, then pour eggs in and stir gently with a silicone spatula. Cook slowly while folding curds until soft but set, then serve immediately for the creamiest results. Start with simple tools so the technique shines: an 8 to 10-inch nonstick pan, a bowl, fork or whisk, and a silicone spatula. Whisk 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and a splash of milk or cream if you like creamier texture. Keep the heat at medium-low to cook gently and avoid rubbery eggs. Stir slowly and consistently to form soft curds, then plate while still slightly glossy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a crisp, cool scent that makes driving nicer after breakfast. I use it when I'm taking toast to go, and it always cheers me up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control the heat and timing to get perfect scrambled eggs every time. Cook on medium-low and use gentle folds to create tender curds instead of breaking them down into tiny bits. Remove from heat just before fully set because residual warmth will finish cooking and keep them silky. Taste and season at the end, and add a small knob of butter or a sprinkle of cheese for an extra layer of flavor that melts into the curds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.